Please step quickly and carefully into the seats directly in front of you.
Loose articles, including hats, backpacks, or hair. Holiday World is not responsible for any articles that are lost, stolen, or damaged.
Let's see.
It's a weird number, it's very watch. I guys enjoy your ride.
Welcome back. Did you enjoy your flight? You may now unbuckle your safety belt. When the train comes to a complete stop, please push down and pull up on your shoulder harness and carefully exit your seat. Please gather all of your loose articles